Make a homemade face mask from bananas. Who needs Botox when you have bananas? That's right, you can use a banana as an all-natural, homemade face mask that moisturizes your skin and leaves it looking and feeling softer. Mash up a medium-sized ripe banana into a smooth paste, then gently apply it to your face and neck. Let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with cold water. Another popular mask recipe calls for 1/4 cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons honey, a natural acne remedy, and 1 medium banana. DIY lemon face masks create a facial that both exfoliates and moisturizes by mixing the juice from 1 lemon with 1/4 cup olive oil or sweet almond oil. How to make a homemade face mask with vinegar. Using vinegar as a skin toner dates back to the time of Helen of Troy, and it's just as effective today. After you wash your face, mix 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar with 2 cups water as a finishing rinse to cleanse and tighten your skin. You can also create a homemade face mask by mixing 1/4 cup cider vinegar with 1/4 cup water. Gently apply the solution to your face and let it dry. Milk face masks. Here's another way to give yourself a fancy spa facial at home. Make a homemade face mask by mixing 1/4 cup powdered milk with enough water to form a thick paste. Thoroughly coat your face with the mixture, let dry completely, then rinse with warm water. Your face will feel fresh and rejuvenated. Mayonnaise face masks. Why waste money on expensive creams when you can treat yourself to a soothing homemade facial mask with whole egg mayonnaise from your own refrigerator? Gently spread the mayonnaise over your face and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Then wipe it off and rinse with cool water. Your face will feel clean and smooth. Discover 10 more things to do with mayonnaise all around the house.